do I need to think about menstruation as a process where the menstruators are not only women who have been assigned a certain gender at birth? There are trans women, there are trans men, there are many kinds of people who may be going through some sort of menstruation. And there are also people who are looking at this process, generally, largely the male folk. And we, the men, we often come up either with notions that are very patronizing or at times dismissive. I think this is where we really need to think where we actually are. Our gaze will actually determine where we are. Have you ever watched the language in which we talk about menstruation and menstrual products? At times, we are using a language of concealment, let's say. So at times, when all of these commercial ads talk about concealing the fact that there is this experience that a woman is going through and showcasing her as prim and proper in the workspace and things like that, that is also a kind of concealment.